Hey guys, it's Chris again from the Nice Garage. I'm bringing you another video today of my 2013 CRF250L. What we did today, and what I'm doing in the process of, is the airbox mod. I don't know, I'll probably post a video later if you know I notice anything. But the first thing I'm doing is replacing the filter with a K N filter. I happened to pick this up at I think CRF250L K N. There's the part number. And I also got the airbox mod kit, which is a bunch of these little breathers with a filter in them that you drill a hole in the cover of the airbox and you put them in, which I haven't done yet. I wanted to try and test each thing individually and see which one makes a better difference, or if I feel a difference between the two. But to take this filter and replace this filter, on the right side of the bike there's a piece of plastic. It comes off right there with a 5mm T-handle wrench, or any wrench. It's 5mm. Then you take these two clips off, or you pull in these clips right here, and that'll take the filter out. Now the K N filter came with this plastic thing, and this is removable. On the factory one, it was all one piece. It may come out, I don't know. I don't have a need to try. So you pull the right side plastic off with some one of those 5mm somewhere down here. It bolts in, and then you take off the airbox cover with 4 Phillips head screws. Replace the filter. Then I'm gonna take it for a ride. I'm gonna put the cover back on. My son actually is gonna put the cover back on. Go ahead, bud. And then I'm gonna take it for a ride, see if there's a difference with just the K N. And then we're gonna do the airbox mod. So we'll update you whenever we're finished. Thanks.